Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, just to give you a quick mobile mechanic tip, or a mechanic tip. When you have green boogers, and we'll just use that as something that we all can relate to, green boogers on your battery, once it starts building up, it will prohibit to the point sometimes the vehicle won't even start, or it will impede your electrical power going to your vehicle. It's also a sign that your battery literally needs to be replaced once it gets worse. Having green boogers is normal, but I've already cleaned some of this off. It was all the way around, and it was terrible. And how I also know is because batteries are not designed this day and time to last 2 to 3 years. And the secret is the maintenance. There's acid inside these batteries, and it also has a water mixture. And I'm going to open up one just to show you. So it has 6 cells, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And if you can't take this off, it's maintenance free, and you won't be able to do anything to it. But as you can see, the acid in the acid in this vehicle is way down there. It's supposed to be 1/4 to the top of the battery itself. It's way down there. This battery is getting older and older and older, and the green boogers always tell me that's what's happening. No one's going to walk around with a battery charger, and it doesn't matter if you sit around and charge the battery all you want to. If it doesn't have enough acid in it and water, then it's not going to work. Adding distilled water is a temporary fix. Get the battery completely replaced. And the secret is, the reason why the batteries don't last as long as they did a couple years ago is because they have more water than acid in the battery. They don't want you to know that. Also, this is a very old battery. It's 2 years old. This is October 2024. So I already knew that the battery was getting lower and lower because of the green boogers. So you can use WD-40 contact cleaner. This is one of the things you can do. And what I did, this is for electrical only. And I just sprayed it. And I got most of the green boogers. There was a lot more than that. And then all you have to do is take yourself a nice wire brush and just brush the teeth on it. And as you can see, it's starting to get cleaner. I'm just only doing one section because of the video. And as you can see, it's starting to get cleaner and cleaner. Also, another thing you could do is take you some Coke or any kind of product that Pepsi, whatever. You can shake it up and put it all on here, and the Coke will literally eat this off. And just get yourself a wire brush and go ahead and brush the teeth. All right, let's just use a different terminology. Let's brush the teeth and get it all nice and clean and nice and shiny. If you have this right here, which will be in the description, you can take off the terminal. We'll just talk about this terminal. You just take that terminal off and push this down. It's shining right up in a couple seconds. There's different ways of doing this. You can go to the store and get you some of that stuff they put on the battery terminals, and you'll be good to go to protect yourself. Or you can take some Vaseline, very thin amount of Vaseline, and you'll never see green boogers ever in your life again. I'm going to recommend this customer gets another battery, because I can see already what's happening, and the vehicle's already running a little bad because of this. This is just a mechanic tip. Everybody does what they do differently. Every advice I ever gave my customers never came back to me for a second recall because I gave them something crazy. If you like these videos and you have benefited from these videos, hit that super thanks button, and I really appreciate it. Also, if you want to see these videos 3 to 5 days earlier than everybody else does, hit that join button. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.